Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, 20-inch chrome wheels, as well as power adjustable pedals, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Okay, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with wood accents throughout the vehicle. Lots of extra paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as the child lock and your seat memories here with the chrome accent handle. We have these chrome running boards here as well. And moving on to the seats, the heated and ventilated high country seats. Super nice, power adjustable. Left side, you got your trailer brake controller, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert with the heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. For the odometer here, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges, trip info, trailer brake, as well as you can access audio, phone, navigation, and other settings as well. It's not going to be push start. You're going to have the classic key, classic column truck shifter, and over here to the infotainment. Pretty straightforward. Bluetooth connectivity as well as OnStar. You got your navigation included as well, and it's just pretty straightforward. You got a CD player as well with the dual zone climate control. And below that, you're gonna have your power adjustable pedals, as well as park assist and lane keep assist. Below that, you're gonna have 2 USB ports, 2 12 volts, and as well as an AC wall charger. And you got lots of power. Lots of center console storage as well, the double cup holder, and center console with more USB ports as well. Passenger side, same finish. Like I said, power adjustable, heated and ventilated. High country stitch. Go across with the double glove box as well. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, and your power sliding sunroof. You're getting this 20-inch chrome wheels on Goodyear Eagle tires. You're gonna have the high country badging, the chrome mirror caps and door handles, the design on the back. You're gonna have side rails inside of the truck bed there, corner step bumper with your trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under, next to the polished tip exhaust. Into the back here, you're gonna have bed tie downs with the spray and bed liner. It's very spacious room. Moving on to the rear interior, lots of extra more paneling and storage next to the speaker, the cup holder with the power window. It's a crew cab, so lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side. With a 12-volt DC port in the back and some storage. We're also going to have a cup holder and armrest, storage under the seats, a power rear sliding window with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as 20-inch chrome wheels, power adjustable pedals, heated and ventilated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.